Thus, it is observed that Homo sapiens have not only evolved but have migrated also. The question arises whether the various species have all evolved from one place and then migrated out, or whether they have simultaneously evolved at various localities. Two models are proposed. The first, rapid replacement model. According to this, humans evolved only once in Africa from Homo heidelbergensis ancestors and then migrated throughout the Old World. Second, regional continuity model. According to this, humans evolved more or less simultaneously across the entire Old World from several ancestral populations. Humans today are of a great variety. Modern humans vary in skin color, hair color, and eye color. They vary in race and ethnicity. Even so, they are all Homo sapiens, proud of our ability to stand up straight and hold our heads up high. Let's keep it that way. But then, how is it done? The lineage of primates have some traits that make it hard for them to respond to rapid change in environment. Primates evolved in the Paleocene and Eocene when worldwide climate was less seasonal. The beneficial environment allowed primates to evolve as relatively brainy animals that reproduce slowly. However, when the climate changed so that tropical forests shrunk and the environment became patchy, many species, including primate species, became extinct. For example, a specialized feeder, Paranthropus boise, that lived parallel with the Australopithecus, dined on hard objects like seeds, tubers, and bones. In competition with bush pigs and hyenas that also had great grinding and crushing teeth and went after the same food, Paranthropus could not compete because it produced one offspring a year at most, while the others had large litters and could increase their population at a much faster rate. Both Neanderthal and modern humans suffer from the primate curse of single births widely spaced. For Neanderthal, cultural adaptation was not sufficient to overcome and compete with modern humans, just as Paranthropus boise could not compete with bush pigs and hyenas. Below is a photograph of a paleontologist at our repository working on and measuring various sections of skull and bones of mammals to understand the competition for food between our ancestors, hyenas and pigs in Shivalic times. Now, to continue to stand on our own 2 feet and hold our heads up high, we need to control the growth of our population density or come up with new technology to overcome the problems we face from the global climate change. Now you all know that many of the global changes are due to anthropogenic causes, including increased greenhouse gases, aerosols, ozone depletion, and deforestation. Can we today keep the faith of our predecessors by controlling our cultural behavior to ensure our environmental success? Evolution of the genus Homo teaches us that by emphasizing cooperation and sympathy with other members of our society, we stand a better chance of success than each of us working alone. The corollary to that is that if the situation is unfair, we should refuse to perpetuate it, even if that means giving up a larger share of the pie for ourselves. Well, friends, we Homo sapiens have developed big heads for learned behavior. Do we have it in us? The instinctive reaction of an infant seeking to be fed is not learned behavior. Let us end here with the knowledge that we should not behave like crybabies, demanding more and more from Mother Earth when it has nothing more to give.